Here's how to fix Bluetooth sound delay. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Bluetooth and Devices. Then, click on View More Devices. Here, scroll down and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Find your Bluetooth headphones, right-click them, and select Properties. Go to the Services tab. If you see an option called Hands-Free Telephony, uncheck it. Click Apply and then OK. Now, check your Bluetooth headphones to see if the delay has been fixed. If you're still experiencing the issue, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it and make sure View By is set to large icons. After that, select Sound. Find your Bluetooth headphones, right-click them, and select Properties. Open the Enhancements tab, and here, select Disable All Enhancements. After that, click Apply and then OK. If the delay is still present, return to the sound settings, right-click your headphones again, and select Properties. This time, go to the Advanced tab and make sure Allow Applications to take exclusive control of this device is enabled. Also, make sure Give Exclusive Mode Applications Priority is checked. Click Apply and then OK. If that doesn't fix the issue, click on the Start menu and open Settings again and select Bluetooth and Devices. Find your Bluetooth headphones and click the 3 horizontal dots next to them. Select Remove Device. Once the headphones have been removed, click Add Device and pair your Bluetooth headphones with your computer again. After reconnecting them, check the audio and the delay should now be resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.